Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many developers face when working with Bitbucket pipelines, unable to run deployment pipeline on Bitbucket staging. If you're watching this video, chances are you've encountered this error message before and are looking for a solution. Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what causes this issue, how to troubleshoot it, and most importantly, how to resolve it. If you're new to Bitbucket pipelines or deployment processes, don't worry. We'll cover everything from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's going on behind the scenes and be able to confidently tackle this issue head on. So, let's dive right in. The unable to run deployment pipeline on Bitbucket staging error message typically occurs when there's an issue with your pipeline configuration or environment variable. To start troubleshooting, it's essential to understand how Bitbucket pipelines work. Think of a pipeline as a series of automated tasks that run in a specific order. Each task represents a stage in your deployment process, such as building your code, running tests, and deploying to production. When you configure a pipeline, you define the tasks, environment variables, and triggers for each stage. Now, let's break down what might be causing the issue. Environment variables. One common culprit is misconfigured environment variables. Make sure that all required variables are set correctly in your Bitbucket repository setting. Pipeline configuration. Double-check your pipeline configuration file. Usually, Bitbucket pipelines YAML any syntax errors or invalid YAML formatting. Staging environment. Ensure that your staging environment is properly configured and accessible to the pipeline. To illustrate this, imagine you're trying to deploy a web application. Your pipeline needs to access your database credentials, which are stored as environment variables. If these variables are not set correctly, the pipeline will fail. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the essential points. Verify environment variables. Double-check that all required environment variables are set correctly in your Bitbucket repository settings. Review pipeline configuration. Ensure that your pipeline configuration file is free of syntax errors and invalid YAML format. Check staging environment. Confirm that your staging environment is properly configured and accessible to the pipeline. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the unable to run deployment pipeline on Bitbucket staging error message. If you're still having trouble, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to help you out. If this video helped you solve your issue, or simply provided valuable insights, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content on software development, DevOps, and troubleshooting. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.